Do you have a goal that you want to achieve in the next 12 months? Or does 12 months feels like too long for you? Let me explain something to you. A lot of people get excited when they discover something that they believe it can change their life. They get excited and they want to start with a lot of energy and motivation. I see this a lot with people who want to start virtual assistants. They have a lot of questions. They have a lot of motivation. They want to get started because they understand it can change their lives. But the problem is when I sit down with someone and I give them the steps, I explain how it works, the skills that you need to learn, how you can practice your skills, how you can get into the real world and start looking for clients, create work samples. I give them the entire process and they see this is something that can take months, a lot of months, maybe even more than a year. A lot of people get discouraged because deep down, they are looking for something that will bring that result within few weeks. And for that reason, even after, with all the excitement and all the motivation, when they discover that, that process takes a long time, they end up never starting because 12 months is a too long time. Instead, they are going to start looking for shortcuts and looking for ways that they can manipulate the process and achieve that result within few weeks. But here is the important thing. Whether you work on building that thing within 12 months or not, that 12 months is still going to pass. The real question is, when that 12 months pass, are you going to be closer to your goals, or are you going to be still thinking about starting and thinking about how you can find shortcut? That 12 months will pass for sure. And your attitude toward getting started is what will determine whether you are closer to your goals or if you are still thinking about getting started and looking for shortcuts. See, the most important thing that you can teach yourself is self-discipline. Discipline to resist distractions, because your biggest enemy is distraction nowadays. Almost everything you do, there are other distractions, other things trying to get your attention, trying to take your attention away from it. Even if you have focus in the beginning, there are so many things you need to learn. While you are learning some things, you are going to keep coming across some different ideas that are going to propose some shortcut, that if you follow this shortcut, you are going to get there faster. And most of the times, those shortcuts are unrealistic. And truly, based on my own experience, the only way that you can achieve any big goal is to avoid distractions. See, I have been a freelancer before I started virtual assistants, and I worked as a freelancer for months without making any money. And even after I started working for clients and getting paid on freelancer.com, I worked for many clients without being able to ever withdraw money from the platform because I made so many mistakes in the beginning. But it takes that much time before I will be able to figure it out and actually make it work. I have a YouTube channel now with a little over 60,000 subscribers, and there is no one video that take the channel to 60,000 subscribers. It's a series of videos over a long period of time that brought me to that point. I have some courses that I'm making sales monthly on Skillshare and Udemy. And those multiple courses, each course is making some sales, in a month. Those courses, they compound, and I make money through those courses on both platforms. And I didn't start thinking, let me create an online course. I was just doing what I was doing, which is virtual assistance. And then I started doing content creation, YouTube content creation. That took me to a point where I have enough knowledge and experience to create a course. And I created the course, post on the platform, and I started making money. If any of those things, if I started with the intention of finding shortcut, doing it quickly and make money within the next 1 or 2 months, it will never have worked. So keep this in your mind. The most important thing you can teach yourself is self-discipline to resist distractions. Even this video that you are watching right now, I am sure there are some other distractions on your screen. If you are watching on YouTube, there are some videos right down there that you can click and watch. While you are watching this video, some ads are going to be playing on top of the video. So those are all distractions that are going to try to take away your attention. And if you don't have enough self-discipline to fight those distractions, you are hardly going to make it. You are going to keep running in cycles. See, instead of chasing a result and focusing on a result, focus on 3 things. If you focus on those 3 things in the next 12 months, I can guarantee you are going to see progress. You are going to be closer to your goals. The first thing you shall focus on is your daily actions. Your daily actions is what is going to determine whether you end up in the next 12 months. See, what you do every day is your priority. Whether you say it or not, what you do daily is your priority. And if you choose comfort and distraction as your priority, see, even if you say my main priority right now is to build enough skills, create enough work samples, and build online presence and find my first client as a virtual assistant, or in whatever area, you can say that is your focus, that is your main priority. But if you spend most of your free time watching YouTube, watching Netflix, watching, scrolling on TikTok and Instagram, just doing random things that doesn't contribute anything to achieving that goal, that is not your priority. Comfort is your priority. So focus on your daily actions. Your daily actions is what will determine where you end up in the next 12 months. The second thing is prioritize skill improvement. Always try to improve whatever you are doing. Always try to improve your skills, because that is something that nobody can take away from you. See, you can start, let's say you are doing YouTube content creation. At any point, YouTube can shut down your channel. You can lose it. But if you already build that skills of presenting on camera, storytelling, that is not going to get away. You can start again and you can figure it out very quickly. If you are a virtual assistant, you build your career, let's say on Upwork. If for whatever reason Upwork decided to shut down your account, you already have the skills of looking for clients. You know how to package yourself right. You have work samples. You have enough clients that can refer you to other clients. That is not going to be a problem. And that is why the best thing you can do is prioritize improving your skills daily. And the next thing is focus on your input, not the outcome. If you are in the beginning, in the early stage of doing whatever you are starting, you are hardly going to see any result anytime soon. So if you focus on what result you are going to see, you are not going to see that result, so you are going to lose motivation. What you shall focus on instead is your input. That is something you have total control of. If you are looking for a client, you don't have really total control of whether a client responds to you or not. So if you set a goal, you want 2 clients to respond to you in the next 2 weeks, you set yourself up to fail, because there is nothing you can do to make sure 2 clients respond to your proposal. But if you say, I'm going to send 50 proposals in 2 weeks, that is totally within your control. All you need to do is put enough time into finding the right jobs to apply. So focus on your own input. Focus on what you can do, not the outcome that comes from it, because the outcome is out of your control. And I will leave you with one final reminder. If you want the next 12 months to be different, if you want to be closer to your goals in the next 12 months, you have to develop enough self-discipline to resist distractions. Your daily actions are your priorities, and that is what will determine where you end up in the next 12 months. And do me a favor, whatever you set as your priority in the next 12 months, just find a way to let me know. I will be looking forward to seeing your progress and seeing what you do within this 12 months. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.